In this video, I'll show you how to install Qwen 3 on Windows, and then how to run it locally using Ollama. To run Qwen locally, we first need to install Ollama because Ollama is the software that allows large language models to run directly on your computer. Start by opening any browser on your PC. In the search bar, type Ollama download. Then open the official Ollama website. Once the website opens, click Download for Windows. The setup file will immediately begin downloading. Wait until the download completes. After the file finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder and locate the Ollama setup file. Double-click the installer. The setup window will open. Now click Install. The installation process will begin and may take a few minutes. Wait until it completes. Once installation finishes, Ollama usually starts automatically in the background. Now we need to verify that Ollama is installed correctly. Open Windows Search and type CMD. Then open Command Prompt. Inside Command Prompt, type Ollama. If you see the Ollama command interface appear, that confirms Ollama is installed successfully. Now we can install Qwen 3. Go back to your browser. Open the model section on the Ollama website. There you will find different available AI models. Select Qwen 3. Inside the Qwen page, you will see multiple model versions. Choose the version you want to install. For most systems, the commonly used version is shown with a ready command. Copy the command displayed there. It usually looks like this. Ollama run Qwen. Now return to Command Prompt. Right-click inside the Command Prompt window to paste the command. Then press Enter. At this point, Ollama starts downloading the Qwen model to your system. The model file is large, so the download can take several minutes depending on your internet speed. During download, Ollama will show progress directly in Command Prompt. Wait until the download fully completes. After downloading finishes, Ollama automatically verifies the files. Once verification is complete, Qwen starts running immediately. Now you can begin chatting with the model directly inside Command Prompt. For example, type "What is Java programming in short?" Then press Enter. Qwen will start generating a response. Because the model runs locally, all processing happens on your own computer. That means your prompts stay private and are not sent to external servers. If your PC has lower hardware, like 8 GB RAM or an older processor, responses may take longer. On higher-end systems, replies appear much faster. When you want to stop the current session, press Ctrl+Z. This exits the running model inside Command Prompt. You can also use Qwen through the Ollama interface. Open Ollama. Select the Qwen model from the available model list. Choose the version you downloaded, then type a new prompt, for example, "Give me Hello World snippet of Python." Press Enter. Qwen will respond with Python code directly. You can continue asking coding questions, explanations, summaries, or general prompts the same way. That is how you install Qwen 3 on Windows, download it through Ollama, and run it locally on your system. Thanks for watching.